Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mansi Sanghvi. I am a founder and medical director of Skin 360 Skin, Hair and Laser Clinic. We are located at Powai in Mumbai. I have been practicing as a dermatologist and skin and hair expert over the last 10 years now. Today I'll be talking to you about one of the most common issues that today's young people face, that is hair loss and balding, and how to manage it. In today's corporate world, hair has become one of the important assets of one's personality, and managing the hair health has become extremely important. These days, what most of the young patients present to us is with androgenetic alopecia. Androgen means hormone. So hormonally induced hair loss is becoming very common in young people, males and females alike. So what are the factors that cause hormonal imbalance? These are essentially the sedentary lifestyles, lack of exercise, imbalanced diet, irregular sleep patterns, and undue stress over one's body. Therefore, the treatment for hair loss and balding should start with reversing the factor that causes hormonal imbalance. This includes introduction of healthy lifestyle, change in sleep pattern and regularizing it, eating the right food, and working out on daily basis. In addition to this, your dermatologist can help you with certain supplements which corrects the dietary deficiency. Of course, the doctor will do the blood test first before starting with the treatment. Doctors will also ask you to apply certain lotion on the scalp which improves the quality of follicles and make it live longer so that the hair becomes thicker and denser. In addition to this, starting with certain advanced treatments really help to regain the lost hair much faster. These treatments include introduction of stem cells and growth factor into your scalp. So how do we do this? These growth factors are injected with very fine needle on your scalp. It is absolutely painless and much comfortable treatment to undergo. Doctor may suggest you a couple of sessions depending upon how bad the case is. It would be done somewhere between 1 week to 15 days, and it just requires about 10 minutes of your time. The second line of management is much advanced and it is very popular these days. It is called PRP, which is platelet rich plasma therapy. Now what is that? In this treatment, we take about 10 to 15 ml of your blood and we centrifuge it to remove the platelets of your blood from it. Now your platelets are very important for you because they carry the growth factor required for any tissue regeneration in your body. Here we are going to inject your platelets back in your scalp using fine needles. To make the treatment much less discomforting, what we do is that we apply the numbing cream on your scalp for half an hour, which calms down the sensations so that when we do this treatment, it's not painful to you. This treatment, however, requires about 45 minutes of your time. Combining both these treatments together, that is mesotherapy and PRP, we have seen some wonderful results wherein we have helped the patient gain back about 30 to 35% of their lost hair back. Once the hair has been recovered, it is absolutely important to maintain it. The maintenance of these hair follicles is in terms of eating the right nutrition, applying certain lotions at least 2 or 3 times a week that doctor will prescribe you, and doing certain treatment every year to maintain the regained hair follicle. In very severe cases, if the balding is very extensive, we may suggest you to undergo hair transplantation, which is done by the expert surgeon, and it helps you to recover the lost hair, which may help you to regain the lost hair and the lost confidence. I hope you have found this talk on hair loss and its management useful. If you have any inquiry or if you would like to consult with me, then you can visit lybrate.com and take an appointment with me from there. Thank you very much.